John Mahama say Ghanaians have short memory. Alright, welcome to Ghana Celebrating News. This is me, the voice, right here for Political Rant. And one NDC communicator was on it FM. He has been saying something. Let's quickly listen to it, and then I'll come back and I'll tell you what my mind is on this very one. Yenkwe.
Na yisi kan recollation wasam. Me poto kakra. Or say recollation can be done at all levels when requested before the declaration of results. However, once election results have been declared, a dissatisfied party cannot request for a recollation or recount of the results. Majari, you see the catcher say you declare results no untimi mbisa for recollation bill. The only remedy abetima seeking is obeko court. Enti pantiakwa no na se ye declare ma NDC a na de abatesa no say yen san declare biom. Omu wie ya yesi agiama NPP ni. Ablekumanof ye declare ma Arabran Obin NDC. Yes, you a careful year in the recollation. Tema Central, the same thing. Uju one on Tiasia. Iti Vina NDC, a day tabo, Aquacoto, and some more doji. NDC ain't taking part in any recollation. Now, they him say, ye see officials or more declare, ye candidates as winners. It still stands. There's no change. Those people are the ones we are going to swear them in Parliament. It is over Shetesano. Now say NPP ni new EC4 declare wa Parliament no umahone ema watching. We will not allow you to come to Parliament to be sworn in. Nipa ya declare omo dada no. Omo na beba Parliament. I mean I saw omo in. It imagine about to no there akoso na President Akufo-Addo ever since your very company were introducing military in our elections. Bibia yabeto abano. 17 minutes who was a baby kakra na. I was here botu, I was here kunipa. So we tolong near shoot to nipa mi no kum. We kaswa near shoot to nipa ba kwakuno. We have one tepa. Na ya shoot to nipa akunu ni I say this time Ghanaians' life don't matter anymore because of political power. Majari, Maminka of Wasi East. And the crowd here.
Akwaba, once again. I thought they be me say, NC for no. Omo feel say, I say Ghana for yen dream and I say, in some CCI, I yen kai. Esan say, omo flag bearer our year president elect John Mahama say Ghanaians have short memory. She say Assembly ICCBI no Ghana for no, we find it difficult to remember it. And it say Assembly they try and come and create their own narrative about what happened to suit themselves, and I say to make themselves look holy in the middle of whatever has happened. And over again they've been doing this, and they've been acting as though, and Mariah too say, we all as a people, as Omai, should govern us. No, they NDC people, I say, they have their own laws that they go by, and that they are not accountable to anybody. I don't know, Mikasa. Yanyana yehu nsema ekoso after 7 December elections. Yehu nyama ekoso, in the sense say, we had a peaceful election overall, where people went to the polls and expressed themselves. Very, very limited brouhaha. And to say anything happening from somewhere 8 a.m. or be a post no up to 5 o'clock our post closed. Everything was quite smooth. Then suddenly, when they started collating results, and people realized the results that were coming in were favoring NDC. Ideally, a political party results that are coming in are favoring you. What do? You start jubilating. Then also, because you know say you are on the way of winning the election. But instead of jubilating, these NDC guys mobilized themselves and started creating terror, or they started raining terror upon the people. They were visiting terror upon the people. They were chasing people. They went to places. They were forcing electoral commission officials to declare results in a particular way to favor them. And so for that reason, there are most of the places that the electoral commission officials, they just have to say, oh, NDC parliamentary PC, we're winning, just to save their own lives. And they pack the ballot boxes with the papers to the district collation center, because they have adequate security that they can sit down, relax, and do the recounting, and then know who indeed has won the election or who has not won the election. Now, you NDC guys, you have done an election, you've won over 170 seats. Your closest opponent has about 88 seats. So, why won't you allow the electoral commissioner say, on here? Why? Why won't you allow the electoral commission? Recounting, it is allowed. Even in student politics, recounting is allowed. Sometimes human errors come in. Someone can count and reach maybe 80, and then the next number they mention is 95. And there are times that those mistakes, it can evade even the party agents. So the best thing to be done is say candidates back will say on TRC that the way the results are going, or believe say if recounting is done, it will favor him. That candidate can call for recounting. Secondly, it has been agreed say a particular polling station, all the political party agents they don't sign the pink sheet, then the result is not valid. Until all the political parties agents sign the pink sheet, that result is not valid. And if you take the constituency and I say Ufa constituency is they are under dispute, Ufa Domi Kwabenya, Ufa Nsawam, Adojiri, and I say all other places, Ablekumanov and Kua, you realize one party's agent or the other has not signed the pink sheet. Because at a point in time, NDC executive said their youth should go to the police station, go to the collation centers, and cause chaos. That is aside. The second part, this very NDC communicator, without shame, on Ferry Adia, Esan said, so Ferry Adia, he will not be somebody who will come here and be talking about the fact that military had to intervene into the election and be blaming Akufo-Addo for it. Why? The military were not involved from the onset of the election. The entire election was spearheaded, and I said security for the election. Now a police that was responsible, IGP, was the chairperson of the intersecurity committee that was over supervising the entire election. And the military had made us aware, until IGP says soldiers come in, soldiers will intervene. And that is when the police are overwhelmed. Now, we went into an election. They started counting. Suddenly, when on Sunday morning, the flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party, NPP, Dr. Bawumia, came to concede defeat, even before EC declared the election. The reason he came to concede defeat was because he wanted peace to reign, because the whole country was sitting on the edge. We didn't know what to anticipate. We didn't know what to come. So he came to do that so that, tempest will calm down. And these people will know that, they've won the election. Then our people in the NPP will know, we have lost. We start preparing towards 2028. But instead of that, when you go to Facebook, you see NDC executives, the likes of Malik, they will say, we are going to this constituency. Let's go there. Let's go and force the EC to declare in our favor. We are going here. Let's go here. Then we started hearing people go to municipal assemblies. They go and break in, carry fridges, run away with the fridges. They carry all manner of things. They run away with it. They go and carry fertilizers. They run away with it. So you were expecting, whilst this thing were ongoing, the military should sit. As I say, NDC form omuhon fedodo. And the military should sit down and watch you guys, what belongs to the whole nation, just a small group of people destroy it. Because bubu dobia, in the end, all of us, our taxes are what is going to be used to repair the door. And to me and meeting if you in the end, I will also suffer the cost of the repair of what just a group of people who think that they've won an election and so the whole nation should come to a standstill. No, I've gone to do. No, we all pay for it. So you come shamelessly. Only ferry biawo we need. Come and sit on television, on radio, that Akufo-Addo has released military. Didn't we all see the videos where we saw NDC youth, they were fighting with soldiers trying to take their guns from them? Didn't we all see it? We saw how the youth of NDC were provoking men in uniform. We saw videos how Malik Basintale or Malik Basintelemo, whatever the name is. We saw how he was exchanging words with the CID director, that her job is coming to an end, threatening her and all those things. The NDC youth were intentional in provoking the security services. And so whoever got hurt in all those things deserved it. Because nothing happened to the person. Nobody was in the house and then security services jumped onto the person, went to... No. And the people in town or whatever this NDC communicator is saying, what were they doing? They were causing disorder, chaos. And he should be because he should be very, very much ashamed. Very, very much ashamed. And the whole country has seen them, NDC, for who they truly are. They are not the people who respect democracy. They don't respect the voice of the people. And that is why when you go all over social media, people are saying, I regret voting for NDC. This is not the change we voted for. This is not the reset we voted for. Sorry to this this very communicator should be very, very sorry. And he should come and apologize for spewing this kind of gibberish into public domain. Thank you very much for watching this section. I remain the voice, and this has been the political rant right here on Ghana Celebrity News TV page. Please like, comment. We like to read your comments, and make sure you share. Subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Until then, see you. Cheers. Bye-bye.